Hey guys, so are you scared of birds? If not, please keep watching that video and you might be scared. So let's get started. Oh, oh, she's so crazy aggressive. Oh god, seagulls, they can be dangerous really. Oh, she's pretending to be a chicken. Don't tease chickens like that. Oh, he's scared. Oh, he's upset. It's so cute. Oh, Goose is angry. He's protecting his family. Turkey.
Bounce him, Libby, bounce him.
Yeah, good idea. Bounce him from there. Oh god, now he's scared, yeah. Oh my god, she's attacked by seagulls. Come on, let her in, let her in. Oh god, and her dad is like laughing at her.
Pretty bird.
Oh, Kakadu is a nice bird. I always wanted to have one, but it's a big responsibility, guys, to have a bird like that. Oh. Turkey attacks big parrots. It can be dangerous. It can bite you kind of sometimes.
I was first.
And they're very, very loud birds.
Loves me more. I'm the favorite.
But he's not trying to argue. He's just loud because he's a bird. Not good, kinda, to tease him like this. Oh, he's protecting his family, maybe. Oh, such a cute birdie. Oh god, ostrich again. He wants a bag with snack.
On the bottom.
Oh god. You have to put this kind of back to him and just he will leave. Oh she.
He threw the bag out. Chicken's trying to peck my mouth.
Chickens can be really, really dumb. Well, they not only can be dumb, they are dumb. Yeah, you see that. And that's all for today, guys. Please thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Bye.